At about the same time in France, Monsieur le Marquis was in his carriage, heading off his chateau. The driver whipped the horses mercilessly, and as soon the carriage was racing through the narrow streets. Men, women, and children leapt out the way, barely escaping the crush of the wheels. The panic and distress of the pedestrians did not affect the Marquis or change his cold expression. Pedestrians means the people who were walking or who were on their vehicles. So, what is happening in France? This episode deals with the situation in France. So, Marcus Le Marquis, he was he was going to his chateau on carriage, and he had instructed his driver to drive as fast as he can. So, driver, he is whipping the innocent horses mercilessly, and the carriage speed was to its fastest limit. The men, women who were there in the streets, they were all became fearful, and they were getting sighed with the fear that if they are not going to save their skins, then the Marquis is going to crush them under the wheels of his carriage. So a panic and distress was spread on the travelers who were walking or on their vehicles. But by seeing all these things, Marquis' expressions had not changed. He instructed the driver as he had instructed him earlier, that to drive the carriage as fast as he can. As the carriage rumbled furiously on its way, one of its wheels ran over something that felt like a sack of potatoes. Throwing the Marquis out of his seat, a wild cry arose from the people on the street, and the carriage stopped. Marquis looked angrily out of his window. What on the earth is wrong? A tall man in a nightcap had taken up a bundle from behind the carriage and was laying it out near a fountain. Pardon, Monsieur le Marquis, said a ragged bystander. It's a child. A tall man was crying and howling over the body of the child. So what happened? So the carriage was at full speed, and suddenly it struck with something. It appears that it has ran over a sack of potatoes, and the Marquis, he was lifted out from his seat. And after that, a wild cry was aroused from the people. People started crying badly. One man is shouting and crying, and he was in a very bad situation. And the carriage stopped. Marquis, he was full with the anger, and he looked out from the window of the carriage. What is wrong on this earth? A tall man in a nightcap, he took up a bundle from the behind of the carriage and laid that by the side of the fountain. One man who was standing there in the crowd, he said to Monsieur le Marquis that Monsieur le Marquis, it's a child. He wants to say that you have hit a child, you have crushed a child under your carriage. A tall man is crying very badly over the body of the child.